Hi everyone, I'm Adila Zahid, Masters in Fine Arts. Welcome back to my channel Artist Art Valley, a guide for fine art students. Today I'm going to paint hibiscus flower in watercolors using same brushes, same colors, but the sheet I'm using is Saunder sheet. I did my sketching using yellow ochre color directly on the sheet. I applied water on my first petal and now I'm making a little lighter color mixing with magenta and mustard color. The light source is from right side, so this front petal will be more lighter than other petals. Original color of this flower is magenta, but as the light passes through these petals, it will turn into orangish yellow color. Shadow of stigma is falling on the front petal and I left some white area for stigma coming out from core of this flower. Now I'm mixing purple color into magenta to give some shades. Hibiscus flowers come in variety of colors and I would love to paint each one of them in watercolor. I think flowers are the most wonderful creations of God that are a symbol of love, hope and beauty. And of course all these blessings around us are the witnesses and signs towards God. Because nobody can make these brilliant colors along with symmetry and balance. I try my best to make a proper schedule of my videos and upload every week, but I'm a mother, so sometime I get time and sometime I don't. So now here we go again. First of all, I applied lighter values on petals and now I'm going to apply magenta color, that is the original color of this flower. This channel is especially for fine art students, so if you are a fine art student, you can ask questions related to drawing and painting. Wherever I want to show lights, I mixed magenta with mustard yellow color. applying yellow color to stem and leaves. As I told earlier in my previous watercolor video that we have to apply lighter value than mid, and at last we have to apply darker values. Now I'm applying darks to the background of this flower. I mixed purple, ultramarine blue and magenta. And then I will mix a little bit of pine green also. A quality of watercolor that I like the most is we can create a beautiful art piece by using a small amount of color, and also we can enjoy the process of spreading color into water. If you want to see final look of this flower, make sure that you will see second part of this video. And once again, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers who are supporting me to go through this journey. If you like this lesson and want to appreciate me, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. At the end of this video, I have a question for you all, that which flower do you like the most? And I will wait for your answers. Light is coming from right side, the flower will cast its shadow over the leaf. So I'm giving some darts. Keep making art and improve yourself. And that's it for today's lesson. See you soon in next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.